It's time for some monster hot rods, starting out with 1964's Frankenstein's Flivver. Molded in gray plastic, these kits were very poor sellers for Aurora, and now are in big demand. They're probably the most popular and highly sought after out of all the Aurora kits. Frankenstein came in his hot rod with a very often missing yo-yo and a Hemi engine, maybe not a Hemi engine, but a hot rod engine, and a gravestone for a radiator. There was even a devilish face on the back. Let's look at 1964's Dracula's Dragster. A little tiny bit more desirable than Frankenstein's Flivver, and very highly sought after. Dracula's Dragster was molded in black plastic. This car was actually a coffin with a bat hood ornament and some fangs for a grill, some candles. He had his cape and a little sporty hot rod cap. Dracula's head was bigger than any of the others in this series, and there was dripping blood and a stake in the cup. A couple of wild exhausts, too. Wolfman's Wagon, 1964 Aurora kit. Actually, Wolfman's Wagon didn't come out till 1965. He was molded in dark gray plastic. And this is a wild contraption that the wolf monster drives. He's got a steering wheel and a high shifter. He has a pair of hands for footrests, a horn on the side, a pair of feet for back bumpers, 2 wild exhausts that come out of the engine, and 5 rats climbing all over this car. Let's take an overhead look at Wolfman's Wagon. 1965's Mummy's Chariot. These kits get more desirable as we progress along in this series. This is actually a pretty rare kit to find, and a very hard to find as a complete built-up. This came in light gray plastic and has the mummy driving a chariot with all kinds of little gizmos and contraptions on this kit. This is an exciting kit to build, an exciting kit when you finally find it and own it. The mummy's holding a shovel in his hand. On the hood scoop of the engine there's some very fine little snakes. There's 3 snakes on the front with a bone, 2 lanterns, a pharaoh's face, a pick on the side. There's the medical box on the back, a canteen, 2 wild snake exhaust systems, and a roller skate in the back. Yeah, the mummy chariot's great. Let's look at King Kong's Thronester. Now this is a serious heavyweight in the Aurora line. This kit was molded in yellow and black plastic, and it is extremely rare and highly sought after. Collectors will pay up into the thousands for this kit unbuilt in the box. Even complete built-ups bring shocking money. Here's a look at its low detail engine. Its eye for a front. The back of the throne. The rear wheel. The face on each side of the rear. And the spider web on the back. 1966's Godzilla's Go-Kart. Yes, this is the one, friends. This is probably the rarest and most highly sought-after model kit. Period. Not just Aurora figure kit. I said model kit. In all fields of model collecting, this is probably the most desirable kit. Has a People Beware sign on the front. A silly go-kart helmet. A parachute and a lawnmower engine out the back. Here's a look at the rear exhaust. Yes, this is a totally bizarre kit. There's even a roller skate on his tail.